Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the pinnacle of innovation and design. With a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X display, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform and enhanced by Google's Gemini AI, this smartphone redefines what's possible. Capture every moment with its advanced OMP camera system, featuring a 50MP periscope telephoto lens for unparalleled zoom capabilities. Experience the future of mobile technology today. For more details and to purchase the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, visit the link in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event in January 2025, stands as a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and excellence in the smartphone industry. This flagship device seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, offering users an unparalleled mobile experience. It provides beautiful design and display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a refined design with rounded corners and a robust titanium frame, enhancing both aesthetics and durability. Its 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X display boasts an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals and efficient power consumption. With a peak brightness of 2600 nits, the display remains clear and vibrant even under direct sunlight. It also provides undefeatable performance. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, customized specifically for Galaxy devices. This powerful chipset, coupled with 12 GB of RAM, delivers a 40% improvement in NPU performance, a 37% boost in CPU speed, and a 30% enhancement in GPU capabilities compared to its predecessor. Users can choose from storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, accommodating various needs and preferences. Now talk about its camera system. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system is a standout feature comprising OMP primary sensor, captures exceptionally detailed and vibrant images. It also offers 50MP ultra-wide sensor, offers expansive field of view shots ideal for landscapes and group photos. It also provides 50MP periscope telephoto sensor with 5x optical zoom. It enables close-up shots without compromising image quality. It also offers 10MP telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom. It provides versatility for various shooting scenarios. It also has 12MP front camera. It ensures high-quality photos and video calls. Software enhancements include 10-bit HDR recording for more accurate color representation, improved low-light performance, and the innovative audio eraser feature, which allows users to remove unwanted background noises from videos. Now talk about its battery and charging system. It is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports 45W fast charging, capable of reaching 65% charge in just 30 minutes. Additionally, it offers Qi2 wireless charging, providing users with flexible charging options. Now talk about its software and integration. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces advanced AI features through the integration of Google's Gemini AI model. This collaboration enables a more personalized and contextually aware user experience, assisting with tasks such as generating recipe suggestions from photos and providing real-time information based on user activities. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is available in multiple colors, including titanium silver blue, titanium black, titanium white silver, and titanium gray. Pricing starts at $1,299. With pre-orders open now and general availability commencing on February 7, 2025, link to buy this amazing machine is in the description below, so check it out if you want to grab yours early. Conclusion? The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra exemplifies the pinnacle of smartphone technology, offering a harmonious blend of performance, design, and innovative features. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or someone who values a seamless user experience, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to meet and exceed your expectations.